Hi everyone! It has been 3 weeks since our last vlog. Well, lots happened and nothing has really. As the title suggests, March of 2025 has been particularly hard on the soul. Like I said previously, we don't mind cold, freezing temperatures. We love snow. However, winters in central Portugal are something else. Who would have thought they could get as bad as this year? Or perhaps we are spoiled. I don't know. Perhaps we have changed in the way of perceiving things. I must admit, I had very little, if any, inspiration to record anything. So what you see is the bare minimum, as I realize some of you might be waiting for our updates. In the second half of the vlog, you can get a glimpse into my creative process. I'm not working on anything big right now, but my art journal is a place where I can go at any time. I seem to have developed a thing for ladies with flowers recently. Perhaps one day I will get a chance to paint one of those on a big canvas. Or perhaps not. That's what the journal is for. Practicing, exploring ideas, and getting better at my craft. Susanna has had a great time in Lisbon, except her last few hours, when she got robbed and her wallet was stolen with all documents and cards. Luckily, she had a phone in her hands. We forgot how to behave in the city, I have to say. When you live remotely and you know everyone, you don't expect certain things to happen. And although she has been careful while in the city, this incident happened on the periphery of Lisbon. Yes, it is painful to block any cards or apply for replacement of a driving license. However, what seemed to be much worse was the feeling of invaded privacy, the false sense of security being attacked. Have you ever been robbed? Has this happened to you personally? If so, how did you feel? How did you react? Let us know in the comment section below. It's always interesting seeing people's experiences and reactions. It's different when you lose something of value compared to your privacy being attacked like this. Perhaps that's another reminder of where we live, who we are surrounded by, and how we deal in situations like these. I know there are places on earth much more dangerous than Portugal, trust me. But that's not the issue here, is it? You should not be put in this situation at all. Or perhaps I live in a completely strange universe. Is it so much to ask to live peacefully, respect others and their belongings? Is it too much to ask to respect people's boundaries? Perhaps it is. But that is for another vlog, another life, another platform. Do you remember our last vlog? Spring is here? Well, fast forward and no, spring has been cancelled. At least for now. The weather has turned from bad to worse. We seem to forget that every year is the same story. As if March is trying to claim the first place on a scale of bad months. We've had violent storms, but the latest one, called Martinho, has topped them all. There was an awful storm last night, and the wind is still blowing strong. Ooh, it's quite uncomfortable to be outside, but I'm going to look at any damage, and I have seen already something. And look at that, our outhouse is destroyed. Wow, must have been hell of a big gust of wind. So because I'm here on my own, I can't do much with that. So I'm gonna have to wait for Susanna, and then I suppose we're gonna have to dismantle it. It's not gonna be any use. Oh well, what can we do? Okay, another damage is this. That the goat survived, and the roof is okay, is holding. I'm gonna have to fix this. I think I'm gonna have to make a new gate and a new pole. Being on my own, yes, again, it's an experience in itself. You don't realize the impact until it happens. Don't worry, Susanna is fine, having a great time wherever she is. We are not ready to tell you right now what's going on, but we will when the time is right. When one leaves, everything else is turned upside down. I suppose you don't realize what you have until you don't have it. Morning routine looks very different, and I dare to say you feel different in yourself as well. Or at least I do. As I am writing my script, I hope you will still be here next time. And I also hope the long-awaited spring will bring only good news, positivity, and rejuvenate all our senses. With much love, thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next one.